Hello, second grade. Happy Thursday. It is time for math. So today I'm really excited because I looked over y'all's work from Tuesday, which was 2 days ago. And if you guys don't remember what you did 2 days ago, I will remind you. So that's the day that you got to decorate and create your fraction donuts. And so the instructions for that activity were to make sure that you used one of three toppings. You could use strawberry, or you could use chocolate, or you could use vanilla icing. And then you could have three different types of sprinkles. You could have chocolate sprinkles, vanilla sprinkles, or you could have rainbow sprinkles. So, well, I got to look at some of y'all's work already, which I'm really excited about because all of the donuts from everyone look delicious. But I picked a few people who had the same ingredients, and we're going to talk about the size of those donut fractions and if we'd rather have fourths or halves or eighths in the given situation. So I'm going to model on the first one, and we're going to start looking at it now. And so it says, below is examples of two students' work. So we have one example here. This is one of y'all's classmates made this. And then here's another one from another classmate. So both students used vanilla icing and rainbow sprinkles. So they use the same ingredients. So we wouldn't pick one just because we don't like vanilla icing, because these both have vanilla icing, so they have the same ingredients. But based on the fractional size, would you rather have Camila's half of a donut or Maggie's fourth of a donut, and why? So I'm thinking this is from Chef Maggie. And so this is 1/4 of a donut because this donut was cut into 4 parts. So we have her fourth, and then this is Camila's half, right? But what do I notice about the fourth compared to the half? What do you guys notice about it? So some people notice it might have a lot more sprinkles, so she used more sprinkles than Camila. But besides that, besides the fact that it has more rainbow sprinkles, what do we notice about the size of this part? Let's try one more time. The size of Maggie's fourth is smaller than the size of Camila's half. So would we rather have Maggie's fourth or Camila's half of a donut? Well, I think that I would rather have Camila's half of a donut because donuts aren't really that big in the first place. So if we're only getting half of a donut, I would rather have, or if we're only getting a part, I'd rather have the bigger part, which is the half, okay? And that's just my explaining. I explained in my own words. So the next thing you guys are going to do is we are going to go to the next slide. Well, I'm going to go to the next slide. And here you guys are going to do the same thing. Let me read it for you, okay? So below is examples of two students' work. Both students use, and that is not vanilla icing, silly Miss Sigler. That is strawberry icing. So both students use strawberry icing and rainbow sprinkles. So we see the rainbow, we see the strawberry, we see the rainbow, we see the strawberry. Based on the fractional size, would you rather have Brian's half of a donut or David's eighth of a donut? So we have Brian's half right here, and we have Chef David's eighth, and we're going to think about it, and we are going to explain why. And you guys are going to answer that question in this box right here, okay? So down below where I am right now, you guys are going to be answering the question about Brian and David's donut. Would you rather have Brian's or David's, and why? And we should not be answering it based on, oh, Brian has more sprinkles, or David, his icing is a little bit more spread out. We're not talking about that because they have the same ingredients. This is based on the fractional size, okay? So would you rather have Brian's half of a donut or David's eighth of a donut? Tell me why. Answer below, okay? That is it for your lesson video. Hop into the next video once you are done typing in your response so that we can talk about your activity for today. All right, see y'all there.